This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install your applications to your SD card on your Samsung devices or phone, tablets, etc. Just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down to about tablet, tap this and go to software information. Then go to build number, tap this 5 times. Then when developer mode is unlocked, scroll down, go to developer options right here. Scroll down on here and go to force allow apps on external. It's near the bottom. Here it is, force allow apps on external. Make any app eligible to be written to external storage. Here's external storage, could be your SD card. Plug this in, and I just dropped something. Now when you have this plugged in, go to apps. Now find the app you want. And the only bad thing is you got to do this one at a time. Go to storage now. Go to change on the top. You can change the location now to that USB or SD card. So if you have a large app, or maybe even like games would probably be the best thing to do. If you got like Fortnite or something like that on your tablet, or even like TikTok is pretty large, send it on over to that SD card. And then you should have more storage on your actual device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.